what's happened for you with spinal flow?
So for me with spinal flow, um, about 20 years ago, I actually had a pretty bad neck injury. I actually had a fracture at C6, in C6, C7, chronic headaches, not great range of motion. I had a little bit of a severe whiplash that ended up with a fracture, and I had tried multiple modalities. Um, I just knew I was going to have a headache forever. I had functional headaches. I lived with it. I woke up with one. It was just the degree of headache that I had. And my first opportunity to experience spinal flow was when I went to my first in-person immersive. That was the first time I ever had any spinal flow hands on me. And after day 3, I have not had a headache since. Yeah, it was insane. Yeah, I haven't had to take Tylenol. I hadn't had to do anything. Range of motion, I can do a full shoulder check.
Wow.
My neck has never felt better. I don't remember having range. I don't remember having that type of movement. And so for me, I knew watching that I thought this modality would help a lot of people, but I actually didn't include myself in the people. And so it was just such a life-changing experience for me. And I was a believer before I came, but to have that much healing and that experience for myself in such a short time, it was just honestly life-changing.
Yay, that's so awesome. And that's what I love for our practitioners and our students the most is that it's about helping other people, but we need to help ourselves as well. And the fact that just at the immersive and in 3 days that can happen for you. And it's interesting when you said you can't remember like having range of motion and being without headaches. That's what we're designed to be. We're not designed to be stuck and limited and in pain. So and how awesome that they haven't come back at all.
Yeah, no, not at all. Occasionally I'll like kind of think, I think I'm gonna get a headache. And then I've been putting some tools that I've learned into practice, and I've been able to just really support my own body with my own like self-healing techniques so far. Um, I don't clench and grind my teeth as much as I used to, so that also helps with headaches. But yeah, it has been so. I mean, I suspect at some point in my life I may experience a headache again, but I also know that I don't have to live in headache world anymore.